Good morning, dear kids. This is question number 5 of exercise 3.7. It says in triangle ABC, angle C is 3 times of angle B and which is equal to angle A plus twice angle A plus angle B. Do you know that in a triangle we have 3 angles? That is, suppose if I keep it ABC, you don't have the value given of any angle. So for that we can assume that let angle A be x, angle B be y. So if I take as AX, BY, so what will be C? Angle C will be equal to angle 3 thrice angle B. What is angle B here? Y. So can I say angle C is 3y? So in that case, you got angle A as x. You can see it here. Angle A is x, angle B is y, angle C is 3y. And you know that the addition of three angles in any triangle is equal to 180. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Hence, you can write x plus y plus 3y is equal to 180. Correct? You will get x plus 4y is equal to 180. Got the point? You can put it as equation number 1. Now, what about equation number 2? Let's see what we can make of equation 2. Can I take this part? This part says thrice angle B is equal to twice angle A plus angle B. Thrice angle B you have taken as y. So write it y here. Twice angle A is x. Write it x here. Angle B is y. Write it y here. So you will get 3y is equal to 2x plus 2y. You can take this 2y on this side. So 3y minus 2y is equal to 2x. That will become y is equal to 2x. So you got the value of y as 2x. If you want, you can substitute this value of y is equal to 2x in this equation. Are you getting my point? So your equation was x plus 4y is equal to 180. In that value of y, you can put it as 2x. So from there, you will get x plus 8x is equal to 180. That will become 9x. I'll write it here. That will become 9x is equal to 180. And value of x, you will get it as 20. Once you got the value of x, you can put it back into this equation to get value of y. Y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2 into 20. That will be 40. Correct? You got the value of x as 20. You got value of y as 40. That is angle A and angle B you got. What about angle C? That is 3 into y. That is 3 into 40. That will be 120. Correct? So you got value of angle A, that is 20, angle B, I repeat, that will be 40, and angle C will be 120. Is that clear? Your next is draw the graphs of equation 5x minus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus y is equal to 3. Whenever you have to draw the graphs, make sure you make the tables for that first. Put your x, y, at least minimum 3 to 4 points you have to, 4 coordinates you have to get x and y of each point. So you will get 4 points, 3 to 4 points. Now what about 5x minus y? You can take y as a subject if you want. So it will be minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 5x. Correct? You want to make this as positive. What you can do is, or else what you can do, make it more easy. You can take this y over here. So it will be 5x. And this 5 over here. 5x minus 5 is equal to y. So you got the subject y is equal to 5x minus 5. Correct? So you got this as subject. Correct? अब आपको x की values डालते जाना है. So how you will put it? I'll write it here. Y is equal to 5x minus 5. You can take x as 2. If you take x as 2, you will get value of y as 5. So I'll write x is 2, y is 5. Second, you can also take value of x as 1. If you are taking 1, then you will get y is equal to 0, correct? So value of x as 1, y is 0. You can also take y is equal to 5x minus 5. This is the equation. You can also take x is equal to 0. So you will get answer as minus 5. So when you took x as 0, you got minus 5. So you have prepared the table for making graph, sketching graph for the equation 5x minus y is equal to 5. Now similarly you have to go for this table 3x minus y is equal to 3. Here also you have to do 3x minus y is equal to 3. You can take this minus y on this side and 3 on this side. So it will be 3x minus 3 is equal to y, correct? So y is the subject and 3x minus 3. This is the equation. Now you can put the values of x, different values of x to get the value of y. For example, if I am putting value of x as 2, what value of y you will get? 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 3. Yes. Am I going correct? Yes. So if you are putting value of x as 2, you will get value of y as 3. If you are putting x value as 1, you will get value of y as 0. If you are putting x value as 0, you will get it as minus 5. Got my point? Once two equations tables are ready, now you can sketch them onto the graph. Correct? Once you sketch them onto the graph, they will intersect somewhere. Suppose I sketch them like this on the graph. Suppose this is the one equation line, this is other equation line. They are going to intersect somewhere, correct? And what kind of triangle they are making with y-axis? अब ये ग्राफ मेरा यहाँ पे I'll just erase this and make it again. This will be something like this. Okay, तो ये जो triangle है इसके आपको कोऑर्डिनेट्स बनाने हैं जो y एक्सिस के साथ इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. डू यू नो दैट दिस इज y एक्सिस एंड दिस इज x एक्सिस. तो ये जो आपने यहाँ पे टेबल बनाया, ये वाला टेबल, इसको जब आप ग्राफ करेंगे तो यू विल गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस. ऑफ वन इक्वेशन यू विल गेट दिस एंड दिस इज ऑफ अदर इक्वेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज ऑफ 5x माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू y. और ये आपका है दूसरा इक्वेशन जो 3x माइनस y इज इक्वल टू 3 था. अगर दोनों इक्वेशंस की लाइंस आप ड्रॉ करेंगे तो दिस इज़ नॉट प्रॉपर बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉपर स्केल फैक्टर हियर. सो आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉइंग इट वेरी रफली फॉर यू सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ द कॉन्सेप्ट. तो जैसे आपके दो ग्राफ्स आएंगे वो वाई एक्सिस के साथ कहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं वो आपको बताना है और उसका ट्रायंगल बताना है. आई रीड आउट द क्वेश्चन फॉर यू अगैन. इट इज़ सेइंग दैट determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and y-axis. तो y-axis के साथ ऐसा कौन सा ट्रायंगल बन रहा है? आप देखेंगे कि ये वाला ट्रायंगल आपका बन रहा है y-axis के साथ, करेक्ट? तो y-axis के साथ जो ट्रायंगल बन रहा है उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपको देने हैं. सो व्हेन यू विल मेक द ग्राफ यू विल गेट टू नो व्हाट विल द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल मेड अलोंग विद द y-axis के साथ, करेक्ट? Let's jump on to next. Your first problem here is you have to solve the pair of linear equations. Your first problem here is px plus qy is equal to p minus q. And your next equation is qx minus py is equal to p plus q. Now my dear kids, if I multiply my first equation with p and second equation with q, what will be the outcome? It will be p square x plus pqy, and this will be multiplied with these both also, so that will be equal to p square minus pq. Am I correct with this? Yes. And again you have to multiply q here, so it will be q square x minus pqy is equal to pq plus q square. And now you can see that this one is with opposite sign and same coefficient, so you can eliminate this. What will be remaining will be p square x plus q square x is equal to p square minus pq plus pq plus q square. Now you can see that even you can eliminate this minus pq and plus pq, correct? So what they are asking in the question, solve the pair of linear equation. That means you have to get the value of x, which will be in the form of p and q, because there is no numerical value for this problem. So here you can take x common. So inside will be p square plus q square is equal to here also p square plus q square. Correct? Now what you will do is you have to take this p square plus q square into division here. So the value of x will be p square plus q square upon p square plus q square. Yes, and the value of x is equal to 1. Got the point clear? Once you got the value of x is equal to 1, you can put it in any one equation and get the value of y. I'll put it in my first equation, this one. The value of x is 1. So px plus qy is equal to p minus q. X value is 1, so I'll put p into 1 plus qy is equal to p minus q. So I'll get p plus qy is equal to p minus q. I'll keep my qy here, and this p will go into subtraction. So p minus q minus p, ये minus p और plus p delete हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे qy is equal to minus q, y is equal to minus q upon q. This q will go into division. This q will go into division. So ये कट हो जाएगा और y की value -1. Got the point clear?